So how to share live scripts along with your colleagues. So that is what we are going to see in the last section, how to share live scripts. Maybe once you understand things, it will be very easy for you. So here you see, we are going to use a height thing. So height has three. Maybe I'll run this command. You will see the workspace. You have age in months from 24 to 240. You have the height in centimeters for male, average male height in centimeters, average female height in centimeters. So I have these three columns. And what the script is loading, they are saying the script is loading the height. It is finding the centimeters per feet. So it is converting centimeters into feet, and it is converting into feet, and it is loading the values. And what we are asked to do is you have to convert the age into years. Age is given in months. So we have to convert age into years. How will we convert months into years? I can write age is equal to age MOS divided by 12. So when I do this, I'm converting months into years. Then see, we are going to plot male and female heights in feet against their age in years. Okay. So I am converted the months into years first, then plot age comma height of male. Okay, this is the first plot. Since I'm going to use two plots, I'm going to give hold on, and then I'm going to plot the age of the female. HTF. I have done this, so I should instruct MATLAB saying hold off. So plot whatever I'm going to plot is done, and add a legend to the top corner of your plot describing both the lines. To make things easy, I am giving red color for male and I am giving blue color for female for understanding. Okay, and I have to give legend. So legend male, comma female. Top left corner. Top left corner means what is your location? It will be north. Top left. So top left is somewhere here. It is going to be northwest. Correct. So I'm given northwest. We'll see whether the coding is correct or not. MATLAB will say whether our coding is correct or not. It is incorrect. Is the legend in the northwest corner? No, legend is in northeast. So what is the thing I have to use? What is the mistake I have done? I think northwest should I use? W should be normal thing. We'll see. Try with this. MATLAB is running. I'll submit it here and see. Again, it is saying wrong. We'll see the solution. Initially, don't see the solution because solution you have to see only when you don't get the answer. You have to give location, comma northwest. So that is what is missing. So I have to use location, northwest. C, N, and W are small. Location, comma northwest. Now you see it is coming in northwest. Now see all the tick marks you have seen, and the answer is going to be